Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your GoHighLevel funnel with Google Analytics. So if you're not familiar with Google Analytics, it's a tool provided by Google, which basically lets you track user activities on your funnel pages or your website pages. So how many people visited your website, where they're visiting it from, how much time they spent, what pages they visited, what device they're using, and lots of other data. And what's best about it is Google lets you use it for free. So you don't have to spend any money in order to get all these information on your funnels and websites. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Analytics with your GoHighLevel funnel pages so you can get the user activities from there. So we have a GoHighLevel account here, as you can see on my screen. This is one of the test accounts I use for making videos. If we go to sites, and this is a sub account by the way, you can see there's a funnel called HVAC Live Funnel, and I have connected a subdomain to this funnel. And just so you know, in order to connect your funnel with analytics, you need to make it live by connecting either a domain or a subdomain to it. And if you want to see how to connect a subdomain or a domain to your GoHighLevel funnel, you can watch a video that I will link in this video's description. So connect the subdomain or the domain, and then we need to connect our Google Analytics account. In order to go to Google Analytics, you can just go to analytics.google.com and it will take you to the analytics account. And if you don't have any analytics account created, it will ask you to create the first account. So we have a test account here, as you can see. I'm going to use it. I'm going to say create a new account, and then I will say HVAC funnel account, and then you can just do next, and then it will ask you to create a property. So the property name will be HVAC property, and the name really doesn't matter, so you can just name it anything. And I will say select the appropriate category from here. I'll say other business activity, and I'll say small business. Here it's going to ask me what's my objective of tracking all these user information. So I'm going to say I'm trying to generate leads, I'm trying to drive sales, I'm trying to understand the web or my traffic, I'm trying to also see the user engagement, and that's it. I'll just have to accept and go to the next step. It actually created the account and property. Now we will say web, and now I will put the subdomain URL from here and just connect it here like this. You don't need the HTTPS because it's already put by Google here. And I will say HVAC funnel. Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick moment to share my school community where if you join, you get to ask me questions about issues you're facing on GoHighLevel Ads Automation AI. You can also be a part of the weekly coaching sessions where I conduct training on many different topics, and we do a Q&A session after that. Besides, you get free access to a lot of my courses that I'm not uploading on YouTube anymore. Some of them you can already see on the screen. Also, there are members only discounts. So if you join, you get 50% off on my courses, my snapshots, my funnels, everything. That's pretty much what I want to share. See you on the other side. Now, if you click on these settings, actually telling you what they are going to track for you. By default, it tracks page views, but the other ones you can totally customize. So it will track the scrolls, like if people are scrolling through your page, outbound clicks, site search, form interactions, if they're submitting a form, if they're filling out the form, if they're watching a video, if they're downloading a file from your funnel, if there's any. So it's going to track all those stuff, and I will hit save because we want as much data as possible to understand what the users are doing on our funnel page. So once we create our account, our property, and our stream, which is this one, it will ask you automatically to set this tag up on your funnel. This is how we can connect our analytics account with the GoHighLevel funnel. So we will just copy this, and what we will do is we will go to settings. We will go to the head tracking code section. There may be other code which doesn't really make any issues. So we will just go to the end of this code. If there's no code, just put it there and that's it. Since I have another code, I just went to the bottom and then I pasted the Google Analytics tag code here and I hit save. So once you update the tag code here on the funnel settings on the head tracking code section, you have to wait for a few minutes, because if you instantly do this, it's going to say the tag is not installed, like this one. You have to wait for a few minutes and then it will be installed in no time, and then you will start receiving data from your funnel. So I will continue to home, and this is the account, this is the property. If you have other accounts, it will show up here. For now, you can see all the reports, all these stuff here. So how many active users, how many events, how many key events, how many new users, how many active users for the last 30 minutes. There will be other stuff, like if you go to the reporting tab, you can see other reporting information as well. This is how we can install Google Analytics with our GoHighLevel funnel. If this video was useful, like this and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next one.